There it is, the new AirPod Max. What's up YouTube? Jeremy Weiss back with you today with Apple's new AirPod Max headphones. Yes, these are the updated AirPod Max headphones that they released last week. I'm going to help avoid all confusion about what exactly these are, what Apple was trying to accomplish with these. So what exactly did Apple change about these headphones? The truth is, not much. But they didn't really intend to. I think most of us were waiting 4 years for an AirPod Max 2 to come out. And the truth is that Apple has not yet released the AirPod Max 2. This is still the AirPod Max. As you can see, there's no 2. They've never advertised the 2. The reality with these headphones is that Apple is intending to update them so that there's a little bit new colors and that they're more convenient for the updated technology via USB-C. But other than that, these are still the exact same headphones. Now, obviously, some people have differing opinions on whether or not these are still worth $549. That's entirely up to the buyer to make that determination. To be honest, they are still incredible headphones. So let's dive into an unboxing and get in this review.
There they are. To be honest, I am very excited to open these as I have not yet tried them out. So right off the bat, sturdy feeling. See what else is in the box here. We've got just in normal little pamphlets. Apple's no longer giving us stickers. Oh well, I will say this is a huge deal. We love that Apple is doing the new nylon cables. They're drastically better than the rubber. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open these. See how they feel. Just a nice little packaging there. And immediately, wow, that magnet's not the strongest. This is the same case that the old ones had. We all know this. I think, this may not be the first review video you guys have watched, but I did get the midnight color and if it'll focus, to be honest. Well, let's see them. In the store, I have to admit, they looked matte black. But here in my house, I'm not sure, how much it's really picking up on, but they really do have some nice blue in there. That does feel a little bit, the old ones were a little firmer. Still, they don't like stretch out on you. Overall, they are the same. These are AirPod Maxes. These are not AirPod Max 2s. Very important to understand that going into the purchase. You're not getting a better headphone necessarily than they used to be, other than the color, potentially. And you can charge them. One of the best features of these headphones is you can take the cups right off to swap them. This one has a little L in it. And they do charge like $60 or $70 for these cups, which are definitely, yeah, Apple overcharges. We know that. Let's put them on.
Let's see how they feel. Yeah, instantly, the transparency mode is incredible. I think the transparency mode is a big deal because you don't want to have to take them on and off your head every time you're trying to hear what's going on around you. Noise cancellation is obviously really great. Apple did a great job, but just know it's still the original AirPod Max. You just now can charge them with USB-C and have a different color than maybe some other people have in the last 4 years. Do I regret purchasing these? Well, let's try them out. They sound great. They're really good headphones. They're very sturdy. They're very stylish. Who knows how long we'll have to wait for the actual AirPod Max 2s to come out. Maybe they'll never update them. But they just work seamlessly with other Apple products. You pick up your phone and it's connected. You go back to your computer, it's just automatically connecting back and forth. So that's a huge deal. So Apple AirPod Max, not AirPod Max 2. Hope this video helped. If you liked it, like, subscribe, comment. My goal is to help you make better decisions. So we'll see you on the next one.